Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford Edge in a titanium trim and powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing a very spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, which can be done with these buttons from back here with a 12-volt power outlet. And underneath this cargo cover, you have your spare with some large compartments for other equipment, and this closes again with another simple press of a button. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt, 110-volt power outlet and heated rear seats. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 117,214 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as your controls for your left screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, all-wheel drive status, distance to empty, RPMs and oil temperature, and tire pressures. Then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assistance features and settings in general for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on, at the end of your signal stock, you have your lane keeping system, and moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and auxiliary capable, so you have a ton of options there for whatever you want to listen to. In the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. In the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, and in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have a compartment here for storage. And moving down, you have your hazards, as well as your physical media controls, Sony sound system, camera view again, because you do also have a forward facing camera. And then you have your physical climate controls, again, dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats. And you have this compartment here with 2 USBs, SD, and auxiliary, so you can plug in your audio or something to charge from there. Behind that, you have this tray, and then in the passenger leg area, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then looking at your main shifter here with select shifts, you have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, park assist, and or active park assist, and then you have your park assist sensor shut off. Then you have 2 cup holders and your 2-tiered center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious with another 12-volt inside, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a panoramic moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.